Hey, what's up? You know, I'm in my editing room and my booth, and I realized that I wanted to show you guys like my actual whisper room because I know many of you have been talking a lot recently about getting spaces and everything and all that stuff. So I thought that I would show you my space because, I didn't start out with this space. I actually started out with a hobo fort is what I called it, my packing blankets and so forth. So anyways, this is my whisper room. Well, if you come out here and you start, you see like this is my editing station. And this is my whisper room here. And it's a 4x6. Absolutely love it. It came in like a series of boxes and stuff, so it was tough because I'm upstairs, so it was kind of hard to get it upstairs. But it's cool. It was fun. I had somebody help me, and I was a blast. So anyway, so this is what I have now. It's kind of cool because in my whisper room, what I do is I this screen here is actually tied to my computer out here because I have an iMac. And there it is, an iMac. I gotta make sure I'm looking at the camera here. That's the camera. So this is the iMac right here, and I basically run a cord into here to my screen, and I do the same thing for my microphone here, as well as I've got my headphones in here. Now, it's interesting enough is it's nice. So the whisper room comes with this light here, and it comes with this package back here. Like you see this foam and everything. This is actually really cool. I don't know if you can see in here, but basically these are pieces that come, like you can purchase them extra from Whisper Room, and they work great. I found that I wanted to do some extra stuff. So what I did here is I added some insulation and just put a sheet over it, and that works. I mean, it works fantastic. And I also built these things up here. They're just more insulation and stuff, but I ordered all this rest of the stuff in here is ordered from Whisper Room. They were fantastic, and here is some foam here and stuff. So, but anyway, so what I can do is I can actually control my system because I have a wireless mouse and keyboard to my my iMac out here. And then, of course, right here is where my Apollo Twin is. I don't know if you can see that. And that's where I have everything in here. And, of course, this is my broadcast mic that I use for all of my podcasts and lives and stuff. So, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. So this is, again, this side. And I have some foam there. Of course, this is my door. I love the little whisper room thing right there. And this is this side. It's a little dark because I have some stuff over here, but I have some more things here, and this is the other side. So absolutely, I love the Whisper Room. It was amazing, and I really recommend that you check it out. But I think that if you are looking for a space and you need to get started, but you can't exactly afford a Whisper Room, I want to show you something because I think this is something cool. So I know the light, hopefully, I don't know if I can hit the, all right, well, that's a little better, but you can see in here's a closet, and like, I don't have it decked out because I have a Whisper Room and everything, but I mean, this would be ideal for using it as a space for your room, right? I mean, that would be perfect. So I think that's something that you can, consider using a closet or something like that. But anyways, I just wanted to show you the Whisper Room and everything. It's put together in pieces, so you can see the pieces here and everything, and it's really nice, very sturdy. It was a task putting it together, but so worth it. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, tick the notification bell for when I go with a new video, and talk to you soon. All right, bye.